What's up, worship guitar players? We have 200 spots left in the worship guitar mastery group. And I just wanted to go over, for those of you who don't know, we have certain pricing right now. It's $6 a month or $50 a year. That gets you access to all of the education, the patches, the tabs, the courses, the more in-depth stuff that I'm putting in there. So $6 a month or $50 a year. That's the pricing that's going to raise. And the cool thing is that if you join now, you get to keep your price forever. So that's why I'm making this video, reminding you that we have 200 spots before that changes. Also, when we hit 1,000 members, there will be a gear giveaway that you should stay tuned for, because I will have some videos coming out in the near future explaining what the giveaway is. I'm not going to tell you in this video. That's not what this video is about. So I will be showing you a little bit about the community, what's on the inside, and what's currently happening. So first we have the community tab. This is basically Facebook, but without the clutter, without the negativity, and it's all positive encouragement here. So we've got the feed here. This is where you can post, ask questions. You can talk about gear. My favorite post right now is Dustin's. He recently posted asking for inspiration for his little music studio that he's working on. And so we have people here from all over posting what they recommend, what their current setup looks like. And it's really cool to see that and talk about gear. So a lot of engagement there. And one thing that you probably don't know is we have 87 to 90% engagement in this group. And one of my biggest issues is when I join a Facebook group and there's like zero engagement. And that's not very helpful, because my goal is to help you as a worship guitarist become more successful, more confident in your playing. So I'm really proud of everybody having such high engagement in this group. And so cycling through the next tab we've got here, this is where all of the educational value really is. Right away, what I have people do is take the worship team readiness assessment. This is something that I've never seen in my 20 years of guitar playing in one place. So it's a 5-minute, 10-minute assessment, 8 different categories from my years of teaching guitar, playing guitar in the church, and it's been really eye-opening for me and for the people that are taking it. I think we've had over 100 people take this so far, and it's great to see the similarities, and I actually have people post about it, the results in here. So that's been really cool to see. The goal of the Worship Team Ready course and this assessment is to get you from 0 to Worship Team Ready in 28 days. So that's something that I've never had, and it took me 20 years to get where I'm at right now, and my goal is to get you there in 28 days, at least from a knowledge standpoint. It'll take time to build up muscles in your hands and all of that, but my goal is to get somebody from 0 to Worship Team Ready in 28 days. So that's the point of that course. Moving on, we've got our patch. We've got our patch pass we have. And I'm dropping in all of the patches that I'm making, and I would continue to make more and put them in here. Right now, we're supporting Line 6 Helix stuff. So we got Helix, Podgo, HX Stomp, and HX Effects. But as the group grows and I have a little bit more money to throw around, then I will buy the other units and make patches and optimize those. So things like Kemper, Quad Cortex. Some people are asking for HD500X patches, and so my goal is to continue to do that. But if you have any of those Line 6 units, those are all in there right now. So I've been making those for like 7-8 years at this point. So we got a lot of those patches. So the next thing, group call recordings. Every week we record, we meet once a week. We had people from 5 different states on the last call, which was really cool. So talking about different worship cultures in there, and people supporting each other in that. I record all of those and put those in there, the group call recordings. Next, I have the Lictionary. The Lictionary is a library of guitar licks. So they could either be my licks or licks that I've heard in songs or whatever. Things that I've picked up over the years that are good tools to have in your tool belt, or even just concepts of guitar licks. And so those get tabbed out and put into guitar profiles and visuals and all that. So that expands your lick. knowledge. The Nashville Numbers Mastery course is something I'm most passionate about because I don't think people realize it, but when you actually take the deep dive into learning that, even if your team doesn't use it on a weekend, it seems to be like the biggest thing where it's like, well, nobody else uses it on my team. Well, why should I learn it? Because it's going to make you more confident and a better musician and a better guitar player. That's why you should learn it, because the reason why I like it's the best use of your time to come up to try to learn that, because it hits your ear training, helps your ear develop and hear chord progressions faster, and it helps you understand music theory faster, and it helps you become a better player overall by learning all of those things and quizzing yourself, because it's the best use of your time that I could figure out. So really passionate about that. It comes with a 30-day workbook on top of it. So it's a 30 days worth of quizzes because you have to do a bunch of reps to get better at it. So it tests your ear, tests your head knowledge, and all of that. I'm very, very passionate about that. So we've got next ultimate speed exercises. If you want to get faster at playing the guitar, these are all the different exercises that I have tabbed out and combinations that I've picked up over the years that will help your playing and help you build that speed. So that comes with guitar profiles and tabs. Next, we have the Everything Brewster course. Lincoln Brewster has had a huge impact on my playing as a worship guitarist. And I'm basically just a blend between the last 20 years of worship music and Lincoln Brewster's playing and 70s and 80s rock legends. That's basically me and how I approach worship guitar. So a lot of his concepts I want to pass along to people, and because it helped me unlock so much about the guitar. It helped me memorize the fretboard, which is a big issue for people. Next is the backing track bunker. If you've ever looked up backing tracks on YouTube, you're basically going to find rock, blues, country, jazz. Those are kind of like your big 4 backing tracks that you're going to look to try to get better at your improv. The problem is a lot of those don't sound like contemporary worship songs. It doesn't prepare you for the builds and the drops. A lot of worship music is build, drop, and you're stacking delays and you're stacking reverbs, you're stacking overdrives. How do my effects and my playing work together with the builds and the drops? So the backing track bunker are worship style backing tracks. It's an emphasis on those. So these are just a bunch of backing tracks to give you as many opportunities for reps as possible. Just instrumental backing tracks for you to get better at soloing, lead playing, etc. Next, you probably have seen these types of things. I do a lot of tutorials on YouTube, and when I make those tutorials, I put those tabs and tutorials in these folders here. So, for example, the elevation one, I'm just collecting all of the tutorials I've ever done and the guitar tabs that go along with it that I've created to help you learn the song. So the other thing too that I don't know if people know is that they're in all keys. So if you have trouble transposing, all of those parts I've went through to make sure that they're best, they feel the best and they're most optimized in every key. So there's that, and we've got the tutorials, the videos in there, and the tabs, guitar profiles, if you know what that is. So lastly, I want to talk about the course that I'm finishing up right now. It's the chords and inversions course, and it's really designed to go head on at for any of you who have had chord posters or chord books. One of the things that has been really frustrating for me, especially trying to learn the guitar growing up, was I thought I had to learn every single chord in the chord book. And it becomes overwhelming because you're thinking in shapes, but you don't know what music theory is behind it really, and you're just kind of learning shapes, and you think you have to learn everything in the book. But this flips it around. I give you the shapes that you really need to memorize up and down the neck. It goes into cage system a little bit, and it has a very worship guitar bent to it. So that's something that I'm finishing up, and it comes with guitar profiles and all of that. And it's also teaching you how to build chords and inversions. I think a lot of people memorize shapes, but they don't know what's happening. They don't know what is the makeup of a chord. So you'll see that I have the modes course. Also, some people like to learn Miraculum every year. And if you've seen my Miraculum tutorial or videos on YouTube, that is where the Miraculum Survival Kit is there. And it's actually a really good thing if you want to go above and beyond and learn more difficult stuff than just your day-to-day worship stuff. So moving on, we've got the calendar tab. This is where we have our weekly calls. And that's where we record them. And that's how you join the calls. So for example, next week, you just click on the link and then it's automatically like a Zoom call, but it's all built into School, which is great. So next we have the map. This is really eye-opening because you see everybody that's all around the world. It's not exact to your location, so don't worry about it if you're freaked out about it. It's like in your general city. So for example, we have some hotspots now with 800 members, and we have people reaching out to each other and say, hey, if you live in the Phoenix area, I would love to grab coffee. Or for example, like we've got people in San Francisco, LA, San Antonio, Dallas, Houston. Like we have a pretty good chunk of people in some of these cities. We got 26 in Chicago. So that's just going to keep growing, and I'm really interested and excited to see how churches are meeting their guitar players too. So at least in my area, there's not many guitar players at my church. We've got 2. And so usually what happens is your worship leader asks a guitar player, if they don't know anybody, hey, do you know anybody? And this is a great place to find those people and meet. So lastly, we've got the leaderboards tab. This is just a way where if you leave comments, you create engaging posts, and you get likes on your comments and posts, you actually gain points. And over the years, I will try to come up with a fun game to play along with it. Maybe we'll have gear giveaways if you reach a certain level. I think that would be kind of fun. So that is the group. That is what we're building. We have 200 spots left until that price increases for all of the value that I just went over. And so if you're watching this video and you're on the fence, join now. You got a 7-day free trial for any of the tiers. And so you could join for 7 days, and if you don't like it, you could also leave. So that is there for you. And yeah, would love to see you over there. Thanks for watching this video.